Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Usman from Pakistan and you are watching Paper Knowledge. I am level 2 seller on Fiverr who is going to share an amazing tip with you guys today, and this tip will create a great impact on your Fiverr seller profile. If you just want to increase your impressions and click rate, and ultimately you want to get more and more orders on your Fiverr profile, all you need to do is just follow this single tip. And I am here on Fiverr as a virtual assistant, IT teacher, and website designer. You can also hire me on Fiverr by just typing this username in Google searches or in Fiverr searches. So let's start today's video. As you can see that on the right side of this page, I have multiple gigs. As I'm level 2 seller, so I can create up to 20 gigs. So I'm offering multiple services, and now in each service I have a specific keyword. Let's start with this one: PowerPoint presentations, virtual assistant. And in this gig you can see that training through live sessions, Microsoft Office training. In this gig offering Microsoft training sessions. After WordPress, I have another gig which is about Microsoft Excel services, just because I have done a specialization in Microsoft Excel, Word and PowerPoint through Microsoft. Let's come to the tip. What you need to do, you have to write all the gig keywords in a simple notepad. I just open this Word file, and what you need to do is just copy or rewrite the keywords: PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint presentations. You can check the spell if it's wrong. I just zoom it for your convenience. And now we can take keyword from this gig. This is virtual assistant, and after this I'm taking another keyword which is Microsoft Excel and WordPress website. Okay, so I just take 4 main keywords from my gigs. So what you need to do is, while you are writing your gig description, this section of your gig, you have to put these keywords in your description. This is very important, and if you apply this single tip in your Fiverr profile, you will see a lot of change in your gig performance, in your gig ranking. Now I'm going to show you that how I use these keywords in my actual description. Look at this first gig. This is about presentation design. So I use this keyword here in my description. This is presentation design. After this, my next gig is about virtual assistant services. So I use another keyword which is virtual IT support, which is somehow related to this keyword. Now after this, I have used keywords from other gigs into my description, same as I have used other gig keywords in my description. Look at this. This is WordPress website, and I use the same keyword in my gig description. This is the way you can rank your Fiverr gigs on the first page, and you can get more and more impressions, more and more clicks, and ultimately more orders. If you want to learn professional freelancing, you can contact me in the comment section. I have given my number there, as well as if you want to learn Microsoft Office, or you need virtual assistant services, or you need a website for your business, you can directly contact me by comment in the comment section, or you can also place an order by searching my username on the Fiverr. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and click the subscribe button so you will get more and more updates in future. Take care. Have a very good day.